Amid the current political situation between India and Pakistan, a new dispute has caught attention, this time between actors Harshavardhan Rane and Mavra Hossain. The two stars, who worked together in the 2016 romantic drama Sanam Teri Kasam, are once again in the spotlight. The controversy began when Harshavardhan announced on Instagram that he wouldn't be returning for Sanam Teri Kasam 2 if Mavra was involved. So, what triggered this? It all started with Mavra's post about Operation Sindoor, a military operation in Pakistan that targeted terror launchpads following the deadly attack on 22 April in Pahalgam, India. Mavra also responded to Harshavardhan's exit from the movie, calling it a PR strategy. In response, Harshavardhan explained his decision, emphasizing that it was based on his personal views. Without naming Mavra directly, he said, "That sounded like an attempt at a personal attack. Fortunately, I have tolerance to overlook such attempts, but have zero tolerance for any attack on my nation's dignity." To further clarify his position, he used a metaphor. An Indian farmer would pluck out the unwanted weed from his crop. It's called weeding. The farmer doesn't need a PR team for this act. It's called common sense. Harshavardhan made it clear that his decision was personal and patriotic, adding, "I simply offered to step down from Part 2. I am fully within my rights to choose not to work with individuals who label my country's actions as cowardly." The Federation of Western India Cine Employees, FWICE, has once again reinforced its directive, urging Indian artists to refrain from collaborating with Pakistani talent due to the current political situation. In light of recent tensions between India and Pakistan, director duo Radhika Rao and Vinay Sapru have confirmed that Pakistani actress Mavra Hossain will not be a part of the upcoming sequel to Sanam Teri Kasam. The filmmakers issued a statement expressing their disappointment over the silence of Pakistani actors who have worked in India, especially following the terror attack in Pahalgam. As Harshavardhan stands firm in his decision, one question remains: can art continue to thrive in times of political conflict? What do you think? Let us know in the comments.